Thinking about starting a side hustle but don't know where to begin or how to do it without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing 7 powerful AI tools you can use right now, for free, to launch and grow a profitable side hustle. These tools are smart, beginner-friendly, and designed to save you time, money, and energy. Whether you're building a brand, creating content, or managing clients, these AI-powered platforms will help you move faster and look more professional from day one. Let's jump right into it. 7. Trello with AI integrations. Staying organized is absolutely crucial when juggling a side hustle alongside your regular commitments. Trello's free project management boards offer a simple visual way to keep all your tasks, deadlines, and ideas in one place. What makes it even better is the integration of AI-powered automation tools. These can help streamline your workflow by automatically sorting tasks, setting reminders, and even generating task summaries. Whether you're collaborating with partners or managing solo, Trello lets you focus on the creative and strategic parts of your hustle, while AI takes care of the repetitive, time-consuming busy work. This means fewer headaches and more productivity, helping you meet deadlines and grow your side business efficiently. 6. HubSpot CRM Free. Managing customers and leads doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, especially when you're just starting out. HubSpot's free CRM is a powerful tool that keeps all your contacts organized in one centralized place, so you never lose track of important connections. It automates follow-up emails and reminders, making sure you nurture relationships without added stress. Plus, it helps you track your sales pipeline visually, so you can see where every lead stands and what the next step is. This level of organization and automation not only saves time, but also makes you look polished and professional from day one, building trust and credibility with clients as your side hustle grows. 5. Google Analytics plus Google Data Studio. Want to truly understand if your side hustle is gaining traction? Google Analytics is an essential free tool that tracks every visitor to your website or online store, showing you valuable data like where your traffic is coming from, which pages perform best, and how visitors behave. But raw data can be overwhelming. This is where Google Data Studio comes in. It takes your analytics data and turns it into easy-to-read, customizable reports and dashboards. These visual insights help you spot trends, identify opportunities, and make smarter decisions about marketing and product strategies. Best of all, both tools are completely free, giving you professional-level analytics power without spending a cent. 4. Copy.ai. Struggling with sales copy, social media captions, email subject lines, or catchy product descriptions? That's where Copy.ai comes in. This powerful, free AI writing tool helps you generate high-converting marketing copy in seconds. No copywriting experience required. Just input a few keywords or a short description of your product or service, and Copy.ai delivers multiple creative options you can use right away. It's especially helpful for side hustlers who are juggling multiple tasks and don't have time to stress over wording. Whether you're writing a landing page or an Instagram ad, Copy.ai removes the guesswork and helps you communicate clearly, confidently, and persuasively, so you can turn curious visitors into loyal customers. 3. Lumen 5. Video content is king in today's digital world, but creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially if you're not a video editor. That's where Lumen 5 comes in. This free AI-powered platform transforms your text, like a blog post, script, or article, into an engaging, professional-looking video in just minutes. It automatically selects visuals, adds animations, and even suggests music to match the tone of your content. You can easily customize branding, colors, and layouts to fit your side hustle's identity. Whether you're making Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or promotional content for a product launch, Lumen 5 makes it fast, simple, and completely beginner-friendly. No editing experience needed. 2. Canva's AI tools. Design is a major part of building a recognizable and trustworthy brand, especially when you're starting a side hustle. The good news? You don't need to hire an expensive graphic designer or master complicated software to create professional visuals. With Canva's free plan, you get access to an intuitive design platform plus powerful AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Features like Magic Write help you generate copy for social media captions, product descriptions, headlines, and more, saving you hours of brainstorming. Need a clean product photo or a polished YouTube thumbnail? Canva's AI background remover lets you isolate your subject with one click. No Photoshop skills needed. You can also use AI-powered templates to instantly generate pitch decks, ebooks, infographics, and logos tailored to your niche. It's perfect for creating eye-catching Instagram posts, email headers, or branded visuals that make your business look polished from the start. You can even schedule social media content directly from Canva to stay consistent. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Need help brainstorming business ideas, writing content, or crafting customer service responses? ChatGPT is like having a personal writing assistant, researcher, and business coach, all rolled into one and available 24/7. Whether you're launching an ebook, building a blog, starting a service-based business, or running an online store, ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, emails, and even full scripts without the burnout. With just a few prompts, it can help generate outlines, refine your messaging, or even simulate customer conversations so you can improve your service and marketing tone. It's incredibly useful for content planning, SEO writing, and idea validation. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just type what you need, and ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. And the best part? You can start using it for free with a basic account. If you're looking for a flexible, intelligent sidekick to grow your side hustle, this is it. There you have it. 7 free AI tools that can seriously upgrade your side hustle game. From writing and design to video editing and lead management, these platforms make it easier than ever to launch smart, look sharp, and grow fast, without hiring a team or draining your bank account. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss tips on AI, entrepreneurship, and building income streams that actually work. Thanks for watching, and remember, work smart, stay consistent, build quietly, grow boldly. See you in the next video.